Hi, and welcome to the basic electrical, electronic, and logical symbols explanation course. In this course, we're going to see 70 plus electronic and electrical symbols that will make you professional in schematic analysis. I'm Ismail. I'm an electronic and computer engineer. I will be your instructor in this course. In this course, you're going to learn 70 plus symbols of electronics components, electrical circuits, and logic gates, besides of its working principle. There is no requirements necessary to enroll. You need just to be passionate to learn. Feel free to take a look to the course description. We're looking forward to see you inside.